Okay, welcome guys. So today I'm about to show you guys how you can reset your laptop. Maybe if you want to sell your laptop and you have some applications on it, you just want to reset it so that it have a fresh look so you can sell it. Or maybe you have some viruses or you see some issues with the computer and just want to reset it and have a fresh start on your computer. So I'll teach you guys how you can reset it in an easy way. Okay, so let's go, guys. So the first thing you have to do is you go to your stats here. You click on the stats button here. You click on it, then we go to settings. Here. I hope you can see. So we click on settings here. Then you can just search here, reset. On the settings you have the search bar there, so you can search reset. So you can see reset PC, and you click on it. That's reset PC. So you can see here it said reset, choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So here with this reset you can choose to keep the files, then you reset it. So even after you reset it, you'll be having your files installed on it. And you can also choose to not keep the files. So maybe you want to remove everything, so you remove all the files, then Windows will also reinstall again for you. So when you click on reset PC, it will start the process, and within I think 2 to 3 minutes it will be done for you. Then reset. I've already reset mine recently, and I wanted to do a video so you guys to know how you can reset your computer. So thank you very much. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.